Okay, let me show you quickly what hex color numbers are and how to use them using canva.com. So, a hex color is expressed as a 6-digit combination of numbers and letters defined by its mix of red, green, and blue. Let me show you that this is a layout for a story for Instagram and I want to change all colors because I do not like them. For example, I want the background to be white but not as white. That is why I googled shades of white and this is what I have. For example, I know this. I like these F F F A F A and I will use it here. So I click here and then I click change the color hashtag and I just copy and paste the color. Then I want the text to be hashtag 003B46. Change all? Yes, please, change all. Then I want this box to be not green but hashtag C4DFE6. Done. These ones I want them to be 66858D. Change all? Yes, please, change all. And also this one, I want to change it. Here I want to have the number which is hashtag 07575B. Change all? Yes, please, change all. And this is what I have as a result. Okay, let me show you where I get those codes and colors. For example, I googled shadows of white and I like that article from Wikipedia and also I like Canva.com color palettes and here you can see many more than 100 pages. You just click the one on the one you like and you can see a picture plus hex colors you like. Also, there are some sites where you can see also pictures and hex color numbers. I will write them in the description of the video, of course, and you can enjoy those pictures and also the numbers. This is the one more website where you can see all the colors which are used. And the next one is Pinterest, which is super duper great. Here you can see a beautiful picture, the one you like. You just click and you see the hex numbers of colors. Here you cannot see it, sorry, but on the previous page you could see it with the numbers also. I like them very much.